Problem of server-client connection. The server-client connections function of CMSCAPP often happen some problem and let the user feel really confused. Thereafter, we have today's lectures to clarify those problems and to announce to give a solution. Three problems happened very often. The first one, the download file rpg2 rpgdemo.rar cannot afford to decompressing. Plenty of user whenever download rpgdemo file folder from our website www.cmschiao.com. He say, okay, I have plenty of decompressing program. So he tried one and tried two, tried three. Most of this trying, the failure is happened unavailable to decompress the whole file. The head may be okay, the tail, and because of the errors. So we provide WRAR 520 in the file folder RPG demo data. You can have it after download RPG demo folder, but at the beginning you maybe cannot download, so you cannot get WRAR 520. I write down here is because this is the original compressing program. It's free. You can free download from the internet. I give the name so you can download the one to decompress the RAR file. This is the first problem. The second problem is RPG2 running. Cannot run. A message coming from the protecting program. The poison protecting program. Most of the customer trying to run RPG2, no matter on Windows XP or Windows 7 or Windows 8, run once success. All of them because without any poison protecting program. So at the B, RPG2 cannot run. You can try just remove the poison protecting program and reopen this computer and try to run RPG2. Hope you can success. The third problem the RPG2 can run, doing as a client to connect with the server, okay. But as doing the role as a server by using open server, the host IP address appeared 192.168.1.103. Whenever the IP address, the leading numerical number is 192.168, this is a local area network IP address. You cannot doing a server being connected at other city, at other country. You can do as a server in the local area in your factory, it's okay. So you have to ask the telecom company to get the wide area network account and the password. With this account and the password, to open a wide area network before doing the server, before running RPG2, doing the role as a server. In Taiwan, right now is the new quick and fast system. And the original by telephone dialing to connect the network, to connect the internet. The telecom company give a card, noted the account and the password. About 30 years ago, everybody used Chinese telecom companies' internet system provided this card. Find the card out, and you can use it to open your internet wide area network. At the beginning, we get this card, A4, A6, something like that. We still cannot connect with the internet. After inquiry, we are taught to add the real of the number A4, A6, O2 at highnet.net. Enter and give the password. You will open the wide area network. Okay. Then, how to open the wide area network is another problem. Right now, let's talk about how to open a wide area network. If you use Windows XP Then start control stem network connection. And press local area network contents and pick internet protocol TCP/IP, and then pick content and choose the IP address 192.168.0.5 255.255.255.0. Okay. This is first step. And then the second, click the wide area network picking item. Pick connection, increasing choose from wide area network to internet. Next step, finish. And open the wide area network. And go to the command area. And type in IP configure /o. You will see all the IP address 192.168.0.5 255.255.255.0. This is for local area network IP address. And you will see the wide area network IP address 36.225.148.69/255.255.255.255. Both you will see after you finish this step to open the wide area network. The default gateway no use in CMSCAPP. While after you open this wide area network at the client terminal, you can do traceroute TRACERT, give IP address at the real 36.225.149.69, or use ping function, give IP address at the real of ping 36.225.149.69. If go through, you know you get a connection. If not, cannot go through, 100% loss, then the LAN and the WAN cannot be used. After 0% loss, then you can connect the internet doing the client IP port connection. This is for wide area network opened in Windows XP. Give the brief procedure to operate the wide area network opening. While you are using Windows 7, this computer is Windows 7. I can demonstrate directly according to state in Chinese in here. It's better easy for those who cannot understand the Chinese characters. Okay. In Windows 7, set wide area network first to the control station. Choose to see the network state and the job. At the beginning, you will see the local area network, while you have to open the wide area network. So go to 1, 2, the second, connect to the internet, pick it. You will have this window, and here is the wide area network function. Pick it, and you will see connection, and pick the connection. You are asked to input the account. The Chinese telecom give our company the account is 84718216. We just said you have to add highnet.net. If without this one, you cannot connect through the internet. And give password in here. After finished typing, press connection. You will see a wide area network created at here. You know, after this, you will know the wide area network. Okay. But as you doing using RPG2 as a server, trying to be connected by other cities client, you have to do an extra job to let local area network disconnect, not disconnect, to be unfunctioned. Otherwise, as you using open server of RPG2, the report will be the local area network IP first. So you have to let the system use the wide area network. You have doing some job like this. Pick the local area network, pick content, pick TCP/IP version 4, pick content, pick advanced, in advance, pick wins, the TCP/IP setting, pick wins. In here, net bias setting, pick stop, net bias over TCP/IP. Okay. Okay. Shut down. Shut down. So, how can you say this setting is okay? Then you have to go to the command window and type IP configure O and scroll to the top. You will see window IP setting, whatever, and you will see say local area network. In here, IPv4 address 192.168.1.103. Mark here is preferred option. So this is LAN address, IP address. Look here. Net bias over TCP/IP. Stop using. we're just doing the last procedures to stop using, but the local area network existing only stop using. And here the wide area network opened, previous without this information, right now with this information. And in here IPv4 address, IP address 118.166.195.244 are marked as the real preferred option. So this is the wide area network IP address. And the net bias over TCP/IP open, available to be used. Okay, after this, your setting complete okay. Then you can open RPG2 and the remote control open server. The file protection will give this message, so you're allowed to access. You will see host IP address, just like previous we have seen, 118.166.195.244. Passing this IP address to remote terminal, the client in other city, in other countries, in other mainland, whatever, and ask the client to use open client function to input the IP address and connect with this server terminal, and then to control the client terminal or control the client physical machine, whatever. So this is the majority problem the customer using CMSCAPP will meet. We give this lecture to give the message, to give the information, to solve the problem you may meet thereafter. Okay, ending of this lecture.